Cardo, your dinner's ready. Today I made you Dubai chocolate strawberry waffles with a special sauce.
You get your nails done yet?
No,
Handle that.
thanks.
Strawberry.
Is it giving what it's supposed to give?
You want some?
Sure.
Try the waffle.
Is it giving what it's supposed to be giving?
Want to try it?
Sure.
Neighbor's gonna know your name.
You want some water, Cardo?
Yes. I'm gonna make you that wet tonight.